On this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create those amazing and stunning AI art that you've been seeing on TikTok and on Instagram for absolutely free. $0, zero shillings. It doesn't matter, zero. So there are two softwares that are needed. First of all, there are some online process that we are going to do together, so make sure you follow the process hand in hand. So the first thing is that we are going to go to Go Art Photo. I have the link on the description, you can click. So this is the first site that we are going to log in. It's called a goart.photo.com. So this platform is actually a paid platform, but I'll show you on how you can use this platform for absolutely free, none of charge. So you come, open image, and then you select your photo. You open your photo, so give it a while. So you'll give it a few for it to load it up on the site. Yes, so immediately it loads. There are different themes here that you can use. There's the pop art, sponge, etc. So you can just scroll down and have a look on which one is more interesting to you. So this site is also available on the phone. Don't forget, it's available on the phone, but on our example we are using the PC. So we are going to take this one for structure. So this is the original image, and then slightly you convert it to the AI that everyone is talking about. So we have it somewhere around 80 or 75. I'll go with 75. So we'll have this watermark here. So once you start your free trial, if you decide to go that route, you are able to remove that watermark. But I'll show you of another method that we can still go ahead and do without this watermark, without us signing in or anything. So you'll just come to the image and then download that image. So just come here and hit the download. So it has two options. This is the paid option, which you can see it's a 2K image, very good resolution. But for us, the free image, it's a 720 by 480. So we'll go with the free image. Yes, so we have downloaded. So this is the image. So as you can see, immediately when we zoom in, it gets a bit pixelated. This is because the image is not a full HD image, but I'll show you on how we can upscale it, and also how we can get rid of this watermark. We'll come to another site, www.vidmo.com, and then stroke image upscaler. So on image upscaler, you'll just come and then upload photo. You'll choose the downloaded photo, and then you'll click open. Yes, so immediately you are done. You'll see that this was the original image where it's 720 by 480, but now we have scaled it up. So you can see even in terms of the image, it's more sharper. If you can see the eyes, look at the nose, the mouth, it's very much sharper. You see now the output, this is like it's 4 times. You see, we've done it 4 times. You can even decide to do it 6 times or even 8 times, but for 4 times for this example works perfectly. So you save that. So once you save it, you'll have it downloaded, and then now we are good to go. So we'll take this to our we'll take this now to a Premiere Pro. We'll first of all create a new sequence. So we'll come on the settings and then custom, and then for Instagram takes a 1080 by a 1920. So this, and then you can just come here and say Instagram reel. So you can decide to save this preset just for future references. So make sure it's a 1080 by 1920, and then for the frames per second, take 30 frames per second. So make sure you save this preset. So just save it, and then you can title it as Insta. So this works for Instagram and for TikTok. So the next time you just come and open on the sequence, you'll get it right there. You see on the custom, you'll just get it there, and then so you don't need to make all these adjustments all over again. So just click OK. So you'll have your portrait frame here. So we are going to import. We are going to import our clip. Let's just go on the downloads where we downloaded it. Here we have it. So we'll just drag it, and then so we'll import it here. This is it. You can see even the resolution, the dimensions. So that is our clip. Take it right there, and then we'll drag it here. So automatically, as you can see, we have already handled that watermark. So we'll just frame it down a bit, just like there, and then just maintain maybe on the most important part on that image. And then we'll have our audio or any song that you prefer, whatever it's trending. So you can have this, and then you can just edit different clips as that is going on. So that is how to create the AI for Instagram and TikTok. So guys, head there right now, and after you're done doing all that, don't forget to click on the export and then match source, so that now you have it on that. Just pick a name that you want to pick, where you want to save it, and then click save. After it's done, just click export, and then you'll have your final product. If you're looking at on how to edit maybe different clips on the beat, we have a video that we've done. Please check on the previous videos, the ones that we've spoken about editing on the beat. That one was more on the reels, on the Instagram reels and all that. So please, I hope you've learned something. I hope now you can be on the trend with everything that's happening. If this has been important to you, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button, and see you on the next one.